Many birds also depend on water bodies within forests for survival, like this pond heron. This one looks for movement of fishes in the water. One sharp gaze, a forward step, and a quick peck. Success. This bird is part of the crow family. It's called the Rufous Treepie. The Rufous Treepie is an omnivore and eats fruits, berries, small insects, and eggs of other small birds. Considering India has over 1,349 recorded species of birds, the contribution and criticality of preserving such green cover assumes more significance. Birds have their share of fun, like this green bee eater. It moves from branch to branch before flying off. Indian boars roam along with other mammals like the spotted deer. This male boar digs to find earthworms. Tigers hunt boars, but large boars can challenge feline predators. But there is one predator in water which is a master of guile, the mugger or the marsh crocodile. These reptiles can grow up to 15 feet in length and weigh upwards of 150 kilos. They are known to stealthily snatch prey from the banks, drag them into deep waters, and then consume. This one swims quietly and stops near the bank. Another floats in the water like a small rock, waiting for an adventurous bird to come close. The flock of spot-billed ducks keep a distance. They coolly sleep with their head tucked under the wings. The lone red-naped ibis, along with another duck, watch out for dangers. The sleeping ducks are not in danger for now. A little farther away, another red-naped ibis looks for worms and insects. It's almost always foraging in the ground and roosts on trees or small patches of islands. The water bodies provide a great photographic moment, like this mirror like reflection of the red wattled lapwing. Picture perfect moment for artists and lensmen. Moments like this Black Drongo standing out in the jungle backdrop are also fascinating. The spotted deer and sambar are amongst the tiger's favorite prey, and they are found everywhere. While no census is done for the spotted deer, there is an abundance of these species in the reserve. Perhaps it's one reason why tigers thrive in India generally and particularly in the Tadoba-Andhari Tiger Reserve. As the evening sunlight slowly fades, this spotted owlet warms up to get active. In contrast, these Asian open-billed storks will soon retreat to the trees nearby, covered well by the leaves. Open-billed storks have a gap between the arched upper mandible and recurved lower mandible. This unique shape has a specific purpose. The open-billed storks eat water snails. The cutting edges of the mandible have a fine brush-like structure that is thought to give them better grip on the shells of snails. The structure of the mandible helps them to get to mollusks and discard the shell. As the sun sets, a realization dawns that this beautiful jungle is an epitome of rich flora and fauna within the Indian subcontinent. For serious nature lovers, it promises an enthralling safari adventure and an unforgettable experience. With Taru's spirit guarding this forest, it seems like the forests and its creations are all protected to an extent. The preservation efforts by forest officers and staff are commendable, despite huge challenges like human encroachment and poaching. Ecotourism strives to balance funds for conservation requirements and allow nature lovers to experience animals and bird behavior. A quid pro quo, for it's the best way urban citizens experience raw nature in its pristine form. Ecotourism is the best way to enjoy nature whilst inculcating the importance of conservation. It's a balance between economic progress and protecting the environment, which is what Taru would always have wanted. Taru's unfinished agenda is now left to us, and it is up to us to take it to the next level.